I bought this 85-inch TV to use as my live video background, and the hardest part was not to find the TV. It was to find a stand I would actually trust behind me while recording. This one is the Vivo Stand TV 120B, designed for screen from 32 all the way up to 120 inches. Vivo sent this stand to me as a review unit. I needed the best TV stand I could find. One of the key reasons I felt comfortable with this stand is the weight capacity. It supports up to 140 kilos, which is about 308 pounds. For context, the TV behind me weighs about 37 kilos. And here's where things get really interesting. I'm actually considering mounting two of these TVs side by side, but vertically. Dimension-wise, it will fit just fine on this stand. I told Vivo about that, and they told me directly that, hey, this stand is not meant or tested for mounting two TVs, so we will not have any responsibility if you do that. The entire frame is actually made of aluminum, and that actually matters because aluminum gives you the strength without turning the stand into something impossible to move. During assembly, everything lined up perfectly, no problems at all, no forcing parts, and mobility was another big reason because I wanted to have a stand that was easy to move around even when I had this big TV on, and that is exactly what I get with this stand. And another important thing is that the wheels have locks and they work really well. And the height is actually adjustable. My goal was that I should have a stand that I could adjust between sitting down and standing up, but unfortunately it wasn't as easy to adjust the height as I first hoped. You need to remove, I think it was 8 screws to be able to then adjust it manually up and down. So even though Vivo said that, hey, you can leave the TV on this stand when you adjust the height, I would never be able to do that because then you need to support those 40-50 kilos that the TV weighs, plus removing those screws and then adjusting the height and then screw those screws back again. One thing though that makes it really easy to adjust the height and get it in level is that you have these very precise indicators at the back so you can see how high up the TV is. The instructions were very clear, almost like IKEA, and nothing feels rushed and cheaply designed. For my 85-inch background setup, this is exactly what I needed. So if you want to check out the exact model that I'm using, I've linked to this Stand 120B in the description below. And before you go, the next thing you should do, that is to watch that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.